So this video is from Mr. Grey Hat, who's shown great interest in loop aerials and has shown some interest in the KRC2. So this is the KRC2 working around about 11 megs. Just tune through a few stations. I'll come down a band just below 10.
Заболевание, при котором накопление гнойной слизи в легких.
Yes, opening. So that sentence was actually something was omitted in the sentence. Actually, what I should have said is 大方便的营业时间长. So 营业时
Lesson in Chinese.
hours.
Sondern auch viele andere Singvögel. Aus unserer Sicht bleibt das
C'est pas comme un proverbe chinois, mais c'est déjà pas mal. Le deuxième s'appelle rien ne
Quick Bible lesson there.
I've done wickedly, but these sheep which have they done?
Well, that's about it.
Mais ça a un problème.
seine Biografie nicht einfach zu erstellen.
I would almost use that word. So 快递 would be.
So, doublet aerial working with the KRC2. I mean, the aerial should work with anything really,
Feel very happy.
but it does give a reasonably quiet signal.
Really late.
Thank you for watching.